Hey guys, welcome to Some Auto Parts. Today's video we'll keep going on introduce you guys expiry exhibition parts for Ineos Grenadier. So this is a two expression strip for the rear trunk, which is for explode the rear trunk. You know, some cars they are low suspension, they come in without the expression strip, and some cars this is a standard choice. So when you buy from dealers, you can check with your sales. You can find for the car the low suspension only these two holes. So if you want to explore your cars and to add on this expression strip, you need to remove this tool and to use the original holes and to screw the bar here. So that will be very easy for you guys to fix the one. And on the other side is same option, you can remove this tool and to fix the one here. Then you will get a complete expression rear trunk. You can hang on everything you want, and to fix the ones, they will not move around.